First, we need to rectify a misconception that some people have. An electrical engineer is not the guy who will fix your sockets or change your light bulb, nor the guy who will fix your broken electronic device or phone. This guy is a technician. An engineer is a way more than that. Engineers need to have a university degree to develop more holistic, theoretical, analytical, and design-oriented skills and have a better understanding about the operating principles of the technology, while technicians are more hands-on and applications-oriented and are the ones who typically get their hands dirty to do the actual work. It is important to emphasize that engineers usually have more opportunities to take on leadership roles in companies and other organizations. It is a discipline that is probably more tightly coupled with what we call these days deep technologies, which is the term that has emerged over the last few years to refer to technological innovations that make our life easier. Amongst others, they include electronics and photonics, robotics, artificial intelligence, data analytics and smart systems, Internet of Things, and a few others which are used in many ways to facilitate our life. These are topics in which electrical engineers have expertise or they can specialize on. The discipline is so wide, which is very good for electrical engineers in terms of employability. These include electrical power generation, transmission and distribution, electronic systems, computer systems and networks, wireless and fiber optic communications, machine learning and AI, robotics, computer architectures and programming, and many others. Obviously, each one of these topics has grown quite a lot over the years, which is many times studied on its own as a separate degree. However, I believe that it's better for an engineer to study the general degree first and then choose one of these topics to specialize in a postgraduate level. To put it simply, electrical or power engineers work with the supply and flow of electricity. They deal with the production of electricity, its storage, its transmission, and its delivery to the users. Renewable energy falls under the electrical engineering as it has to do with the production of electricity using renewable sources like the sun, the wind, and others. Meanwhile, electronic engineering specifically refers to creating, designing and testing electrical circuits and components for devices that we use every day, for example, phones, tablets, televisions, our computers and others. Many times it refers to integrating computer hardware and software systems. That is why electronic engineers also have good programming skills. Other fields that fall under the electronic engineering are communications, artificial intelligence and others. It is quite fortunate that these days electrical engineers are in great demand. It is not a coincidence that electrical engineering and many of its specializations rank up very high in research reports as some of the most popular jobs of the future. The large and wide range of employment options makes it quite unlikely for electrical engineers not to find employment within their field of study. Not only there are so many job opportunities, but they are also very well paid. Also, electrical engineering constitutes one of the best fields of research around the world, which means that there are many opportunities for electrical engineers to become researchers or academics. It is also worth mentioning that electrical engineers have so many transferable skills that allow them to find employment in areas outside engineering. For example, engineers typically have very good skills in mathematics, statistics, programming, data analysis and project management. Particularly their engineering thinking make them very employable in finance, banking, accounting, even at managerial positions. The program is challenging yet rewarding. It never gets boring as technology evolves very quickly and new systems and innovations are created day by day, allowing engineers to be in the forefront of this technological evolution. It promotes a lifelong learning style which facilitates a joyful career. Also, becoming an electrical engineer is important and prestigious due to the fact that most modern societies recognize engineers as being clever, practical, and well-rounded individuals.